Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you the news Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So watch this video with me. Okay. The Iskra game partnership strategy revolves around game development experience and content-specific potential for Web3. Following this criteria, Iskra has signed one new studio to its game lineup. HD Labs has experience in blockchain game space with Stepwatch. Its move to earn the title, and is working on transitioning up to 30 titles from Web 2 into Web 3. HD Labs and Iskra will be launching a turn-based RPG, Three Kingdoms Multiverse, together in Q4 of 2022. This spring Iskra full games lineup to 4 confirmed titles and highly experienced studios, which include Krampus with its popular restaurant simulation game Cooking Adventure, Rich Aliens 3-match puzzle Cascade Kings, and Iskra's own in-house title Claymon, a collectible RPG. More announcements for new games and partners are anticipated by the end of 2022. Mr. Seok Julie, CEO of HD Labs, believes that the combination of our game expertise, Iskra's blockchain knowledge, and engaged community will deliver the next generation of enjoyable and sustainable game experience for Web3. Mr. Ji In Kim, CEO of Campus, added, "We agree with the Iskra philosophy of play and earn, not just play to earn, to foster genuine enjoyment and sustainability." About Iskra. Iskra is the future of play. The company is backed by some of the biggest technology and game companies from Korea. Iskra's community forward system align the interests of the community by rewarding its stakeholders based on their participation while integrating sustainable tokenomic solutions for game developers that join its platforms. The company seeks to bridge the gap in Web3 adoption between early adopter and the mainstream by combining enjoyment, sustainability, and the latest in blockchain technology. About Korea Blockchain Week, hosted by Factblog and CO hosted by Hash. Korea Blockchain Week 2022 is a premier crypto and blockchain event bringing together the brightest minds of the industry to discuss, redefine, and celebrate the future of finance and Web3. About HD Lab. HD Labs is a company that is planning to be the perfect center of balance in the rapidly growing and changing metaverse industry, sharing a vision with various global companies. We hope that developers, investors, and users can all move forward together. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.